to me. I wanna heal your sorrow. Talk to me. We'll make a new tomorrow. Talk to me.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I recreated this Kylie Jenner's most recent look, which she did a day back. So this is her recent look which I recreated. I hope you guys like this look. So I made my hair the same way, the makeup and everything I have recreated, or you can say I've just copied her look. So I've recreated this look which is done by her makeup artist, Makeup by Ariel, on Kylie Jenner. So this is the look. I hope you guys like this look. The moment I saw this look, I knew I want to recreate this because I really liked the look and I really liked how it turned out on me. So I really enjoyed doing this makeup. If you also enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that like button, and do share it with your friends, and comment below if you want me to recreate any other look, so I'll do that for you guys. For this look, for this chic look, keep on watching the video and let's get started.
I'm gonna find my way tonight. Way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow.
I have already prepped my face. I have done my moisturizer, but still for more hydration I'll be using this spray. It's a cleaning moisture surge. And to hydrate my lips, I'll be using this Laneige lip sleeping mask. Before your makeup, prepping your skin is must, as we are going to do a matte look, which will be a matte foundation and everything matte, especially when you are doing matte kind of makeup. So you should prep your skin well. I have prepped my skin very well before makeup. Now I'm gonna start my makeup. Starting my makeup, first step I'll be using this primer, which is from Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. So it's a matte primer and we are doing a matte look, so I'm using this primer. So I'm just applying it over the areas where I have shiny, just to take that shine away. I'm gonna leave it for a minute or two to let the primer set, and then we'll start off with the foundation. Concealing my under eyes and the dark areas and the pigmentations, I'll be using this LA Gold Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. So I'll be using it under my eyes and around my mouth, wherever I have dark areas or pigmentations, and somewhat on my forehead. And I'll be blending it with this sponge. It's from PAC. So you just have to dab. So I'm just dabbing it, not rubbing it off. To set the concealer, I'll be using this L'Oreal Matte Powder. It's a L'Oreal Paris True Match Minerals Mattifying Powder. To set my concealer, I'll just use this. For my foundation, I'll be using this Daily Life Forever 52 Ultra Definition Matte Foundation. Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation in the shade 14. This is also a matte foundation and also it's a full coverage foundation. So I'm gonna take a pump of it, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so here's the thing, like if you want a full coverage finish, so what you have to do is you just have to dab with your beauty blender. You don't have to rub it off, you just have to keep dabbing it all over your face, and that's how you can get full coverage with any foundation you have. So you see how dabbing your sponge can give you a fully coverage look, like it's super full coverage. Now I'm gonna add some bronzer to the look. For this I'll be using this L'Oreal Glam Bronze. I'm gonna highlight my under eyes with the lighter shade concealer. For this I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in this shade 25 medium.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight, better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight, won't you talk to me, I wanna heal your sorrow, won't you talk to me, we'll make a new tomorrow.
I'm gonna take a little more. After highlighting it with the lighter shade concealer, I'll be using this L'Oreal Mattifying Powder. It's a translucent powder. I'll use it again under my eyes. For the baking, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. It's a Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. For the blusher, I'll be using this pink color. It's a Miss Rose blush palette, but very lightly. So the face is done. I make my brows with this Faces Canada Eyebrow Definer pencil. So one side it has a spoolie from which I'll be combing my hairs. So I have to comb upwards like this with this spoolie, and then I'm gonna fill it in. I'm not filling it all over, I'm just filling it wherever I have less hair or wherever is required. Just to take out any extra product if left, I'm gonna comb my hairs again with this spoolie. Now with the concealer, I'm just underlining my brows to make it look more defined. Starting off with my eye makeup, I'm gonna use this palette from PAC. It's a fresh color palette. So from this I'll be using this yellow color to get more pigment of the eyeshadow. Now for the yellow shadow, I'll be using this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. From this, I'll be using this yellow color. So because I have applied a yellow cream, then I have applied the eyeshadow pigment just to get that eyeshadow more pigmented. To blend the color on the crease, I'll be taking this dark yellow color and I'll be blending it with this blending brush from PAC. So I'm blending it on the crease. So for the liner, I'll be using this pink pencil from Color Bar. It's a Color Bar all-rounder pencil in the shade 009. Using the eyebrow filler brush, I have taken the product in the brush and then I've winged it out. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. My eyes are done. I've put the lashes off camera. I'm gonna apply some mascara. For that, I'll be using this Makeup Forever mascara. So it's a waterproof mascara. After the mascara, moving on to the lips, I'll be using this Color Bar Lip Liner Lip Definer Pencil in the shade Chocolate Brown 14. Underline my lips with this pencil.
I'm gonna find my way tonight. Way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me?
Because I don't have the lighter brown pencil, what I'm gonna do is after applying this, I'm gonna smudge it with a finger. With the pink liner, this is the Faces Canada lip contour in the shade Pink Pinch. I'm gonna fit it in the area wherever I have it applied. Now with the beauty blender, I'll just tap it. On the top of it, I'll be using this Nykaa Powder Puff Lippy in the shade, it's a powder lip creme in the shade Squared Gold. On the top of it all, I'm using this Nykaa gloss in the shade Star Cross 04. To set my base and finish off the makeup, I'm going to use this NYX matte setting spray. Lastly, I'll be using this highlighter from NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette. I'm using the highlighter from this palette and I'll be using it on the tip of the nose. And that's it, the makeup is done.
Don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight.
This is the final look. This is the final look. I made up my hair and all that stuff. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you made this far, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, share it with your friends, hit on the like button and comment below if you like this video. So yes, thank you guys for watching and thank you for all the love and support you have guys given me. It really means a lot and I love you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.